You've tuned into The Mountain Gardener with your host, Ken Lain. Gardening, it can be challenging, but with these simple insider tips, you'll reap huge rewards. Now, let's tune into today's Mountain Gardener with Ken and Lisa. Now, what I love about being a small business owner, let me just share that real quick. Really, I probably shouldn't go this deep, but hey, we're just all friends, right? We're just neighbors talking over the fence, and here's a little piece of my heart. Here's what makes me tick. And so I love coming to work and the strategy. I mean, merchants, we're trying to figure out what's going to make our community happy, what makes our customers talk and want to share in community and building up. And I do it with plants. And so every day I come to work and I've got a team of people. We've got a tremendous, we've got an A team of gardeners that just love working with our family and helping them figure things out, how to connect with the community, how to make them better. I just told them today, I went, at a manager meeting, I went, I'm trying to give you skills, not so that I can make more profit. I'm trying to give you skills that you can use here at the garden center that also you can use at home in the community with your churches, your communities, your bowling league. I'm trying to make you better as a person, as a whole. And if you do that, I think you love coming to work better. I think you like working with each other. It's hard to make friends anymore. And so work is an easy way to come and make friends, to have relationships. We spend more time together here than we do even at home. And so I should create a place where people just love coming to work. My team shows up early. They're always on time. They're trying to make a difference. They're with you till the end. That is fun. So to create a place that's just fun. And I think if you do that well, customers talk about it because they sense it. They can come into your place. They think it's all about the plants. Yes, plants are inspiring. We are a botanical garden. It does feel, you do feel better in the space, but that space was created by my team. And so our family has created this nurturing environment where they want to do better. The other thing I love, other than building teams, is you're never bored. So I tend to get bored easy. And so we're doing a lot of different things. And in today's era of technology, things never change. So we're trying to launch this brand new online store. Now I've had online garden centers since the 90s. This is so 1990s. Oh my gosh. Everyone's got this old school, boring website. But no, you got to keep up. Come on. And so you're trying to admire the key players out there. You look at Apples and the Amazons and the latest Etsy thing that's going out. You're trying to be trendy and correct. So we're launching a new Shopify online store, replacing our Lightspeed, which has replaced it keeps getting upgraded. And so we launched a new store during COVID and it worked. And now it's time to polish and make it even better. So we're pre-ordering a lot of our plants. So for our core customers, they can go to the front of the line and pre-order their Christmas cactus. Their poinsettias, fruit trees are coming up very quickly for early pickup next spring, actually late winter. And so we're trying to get better at this. We sold 50 Christmas cactus. It overwhelmed us. We weren't ready for that. They're picking them up starting Monday. So they're coming in this weekend. We're trying to get them all dolled up, but it is exciting. I love coming to work and trying to figure things out. You never get bored. You're constantly using your brain trying to go, how can I make it better? How can I get customers to talk about it? What are gardeners going to love? So for those of you that ordered a few of them, we sold like 50 Christmas cactus. We've got over a dozen poinsettias already sold. Alberta spruce or courthouse spruce, we've got already pre-selling for the front doors. Thank you for supporting that. And thank you for being patient because we dropped our site went down for a little bit and then it came right back up. So I love coming to work every day and trying to figure it out here at Waters Garden Center. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Until next week, Lisa and I camp out here at Waters Garden Center, and we love talking to fans of the show.
Grow extraordinary succulents and cactus indoors.
Water succulents are easy with lots of shapes, sizes, and colors.
Whether you're looking for a small cactus for an office desk or a huge statement succulent in your living room, we have the perfect plant.
But what are you waiting for? Extraordinary succulents and cactus await you at Waters.
Visit Waters Garden Center in Prescott today or watersgardencenter.com to find the perfect succulent for your home and office.
For a more fruitful garden, increase success in the landscape that just feels better, then tune in daily to the Mountain Gardener podcast. Subscribe through your favorite podcast streamer or visit watersgardencenter.com. Better yet, visit me directly right here at Waters Garden Center. Thanks for tuning in.